It is started. Yeah. Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 apps to learn hacking. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to show you top 5 apps that are available in Google Play, and those are to learn hacking. So let's start the video, guys. Now, here's the first one. You can search Learn Ethical Hacking. So this is the one, Learn Ethical Hacking Tutorials, and let's install and check it. So this is the app, guys. It has a nice symbol telling hacking. Next. Trusted by millions of users. Next. Get job ready. Next. Get started. There are three sign-in options. Sign in via Google, sign in via Facebook, register via email. Let's skip this part. Hi buddy, let's close this. So what do we have here? We have hacking advanced, some of the courses. Nice. Then hacking, again some of the courses. Let's read this. Start from scratch and learn all basic concepts used in hacking up to intermediate level. Okay. Cybersecurity and cryptography. Everything is there. You can just check this. I'll give the app link in the description. It is available in the Play Store, guys. So this was the first one. Now let's check the second one. Second is the Spy Boy. Let me install and show you that. Second app is Spy Boy. This is the Spy Boy, guys. Sorry. Let's check about this. Let's open it. So it is a nice looking spooky type of thing, having the ethical hacking or hacking design. Let's see what are here present. PC tips and tricks, networking, programming, Android tricks, Windows, Notepad tricks, Kali Linux, command, software info, operating system, famous hackers, miscellaneous. Let's see some of the PC tips and tricks. What is Darknet? Use of Darknet. Can we access Darknet? Everything about Tor. How to check if an email address is valid or not, and there are some more things. Let's click next. Well, nothing happens if we click next. So here we also have some of the online tutorials. Now let's check like networking. Okay, some of the details are given here. You can check that about anything, like as we have discussed things here. So here we have something else, videos, explorer, news and tools. Let's check videos. Now here are some of the videos, how to create an Android app with Android Studio. So it is good, you can have a look here. Then programming Android text. Now this was the second app, guys. Let's check the third one. Third one is best computer and ethical hacking guide. Best computer and ethical hacking guide. Now this is the third one, guys. Let's install and check this one. Guys, whatever 5 apps I've told you, these are very important apps to learn hacking. You can, hacking is not something which we can learn. It is how we can develop something. Okay, hacking is when you can develop a code which can really penetrate into a system. That is hacking. But before that, you need to learn something about hacking so that you can at least give an initial try to hacking. Okay, so this is the third app. Let's check it. It's being downloaded. So it's almost downloaded. Now let's open it and check. Best computer guide, ethical hacking, shortcut keys, ethical tools, color hex codes, Linux terminals. What do we have in ethical hacking? Let's check. Basic terms, online tutorials, network commands, ethical hacking tools. Let's open one like offline tutorials. Okay. Here are some of the tutorials: how to automate IP switching, DNS change, and network profile change in Windows, how to disable startup programs, how to check your IP configuration, you have to use pen drive as RAM, how to make this partition in Windows. So here we have something that is really important information. Let's check one of those. Close this. Okay, a complete details about how to automate IP. It is good, guys. It is really good. I can say that this is the best one till now. Best computer guide. You can check this one. It is good. Let's check some of the shortcut keys like Windows. Whoa, it's really good, guys. If I recommend something to download about hacking, then this is the one. Check this video, this one, guys. Check this application. Now let's check the fourth one, that is ethical hacking. Let's search one. Ethical hacking. Now, guys, you might be thinking that which of these is the real app. So this is the IntelliTech one, education. This is the ethical hacking app I'm talking about. Let's install and check. So it has also got a very nice look. Well, some of the important types are like types of hacking, advantage of a hacking, hacker types, famous hacker, ethical hacking terminologies. Let's check one of those like ethical hacking process. So it has a good description about ethical hacking process. This is the good one too. I think it is also recommended. Not recommended, you can try this. Okay, this is also a good one. Now let's check the fifth one, that is Geek app. I'm going to show you that what is this Geek app. So this is the one, Geek app ethical hacking certification course. Let's check this one. I'm installing it, guys, and at the last I'm going to review that which is the best one till now. I think which one should you download to learn ethical hacking. Okay, let's open it. Well, it has got a very, very nice look. Initiating system one. Some of the codes are running on the left side. Well, this one looks really good. Got a nice UI. Welcome to Geek App version 5.0, powered by Alien Skills. Let's continue. Greetings, human. I'm Mr. Alien, the alpha and omega of this app. I'll be briefing about this app. So many things are written here, and I'm not in a mood to read at all. So let's just wait for it to complete. Okay, okay, how many types it is going to write? Okay, now let's click on continue. Start journey to Geekdom. Well, here are some data. Nice one. Ransomware attack targeted Texas state court system. Okay, so here we have some of the greatest news, like when the hacking happened and what was the exact thing happened there. Some of the coronavirus also details. Top 20 years, the password for US nuclear missile was this. Okay, here we have some of the details about some of the past experience about hacking. You can check this one also. This is also a good one. Well, I'm going to show you now the which is the best one I recommend to learn hacking, which among the five apps. So the best one is best computer and ethical hacking. Okay, uh, but let me show you where it is. This one, best computer guide, mikehacks.blogspot.com. Here is the app which I recommend to learn hacking. So, what do I like here? You can see that there are so many things: online tutorials, offline tutorials, basic terms, network commands. Then some other guys. I cannot say that it is a really hacking website, but I can say it is really informative because you can see what is Google search hashing. Some of the basic details of ethical hacking are given here. So this is why I recommend this app. You can try this. And if you want among these that which one should I review more, you can type that in the comment section. I'll review that app again and again. And I'll make that next video about the review of any particular app among these five. Which one would you like to tell me? So that was all for this video, guys. And if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel so that I can get support and I can put some more of the videos like this. So that's all for this video, and thank you.